Should be in her. Oh, I had it on me. It's right here. Where? Right there by my foot. I'm trying to break halfway. So we don't. It won't wash out. So that's the only way. Guys, now the squash is done. All you have to do is get it soft. You don't have to cook it all the way. And I didn't salt it because I will salt my casserole when I mix it up. Now I'm putting it into a colander though, because you have to have all your water drained out. So I just put it in a colander and I'll let it sit a while and make sure all the water drains out, okay? All right, guys, here's our squash. We're gonna put together our squash casserole. So y'all saw Mama cook this yesterday. So we're gonna add 1.5 cups of shredded cheese. You can use sharp. We don't care for sharp around here, so I'm not using sharp. I'm using mild. Use whatever you want to use. Got that. I'm gonna throw in here 2 tablespoons of, oh, my mayonnaise ain't open. Here, babe. Oh. Dusty, give me the other, this. Also gonna add 1.5 cups of this breadcrumb. And I'm using breadcrumbs, not the crackers. I'm going to put the crackers on top. So I do have the Ritz crackers to put on top. And then I am going to, in addition to that, I am going to add about 1/4 a cup. I'm going on my own here, guys. I don't have, this is just a made up recipe. Woo! 1/4 a cup of sour cream. So that's 2 tablespoons mayo, 1/4 a cup of sour cream, and 1.5 cups cheese, and 1.5 cups breadcrumb, or you can use crushed up crackers. And then we're just gonna mix this up, so not easily.
Stop. Use this. More like fold it.
Yes,
That way you
that's
don't
what I
break
had
up
for the
the,
other one. That's what I have in my green
This
beans.
way you don't break up the squash.
Okay, don't stir. Fold this all together. There's no liquid in here, y'all, but squash tends to cook out some, so I won't want it too liquidy anyway. So we're just stirring away here, guys. Let me go. I'm gonna let y'all go, and I'll come back when I pour it in the dish, in the casserole dish. All right, guys, we got our casserole dish here. You can stir it vigorously and break up the squash. It is okay. Also, if you were to do this when the squash is warm, you can mix up the cheese and the mayonnaise and the sour cream and stir it around in the squash until the cheese kind of melts. Then add your breadcrumbs, and stir vigorously. It's okay to break up the squash. They don't have to remain whole, all that good stuff. So anyway, we're gonna put it in our dish. And that way I can kind of do it a little better. I can mix it up a little better. But anyway, like I said, if you were to do it warm, when the squash is warm, that's what you would do, is do the cheese and the mayonnaise and the sour cream and let the cheese melt, then stir in the breadcrumbs. But anyway, here it is. Here's what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna top it with some more. I'm gonna sprinkle a little more cheese just on the top when I put it in. But we'll do the same thing, put it in the oven. I'm gonna put it in the oven for like 25 minutes at 350. Let it get hot and bubbly, and then I'll take it out, add the Ritz cracker crumbs to the top, and she'll be ready to go. I mean, put it back in for 5 minutes and let them get whatever, you know, crunchy, and then she'll be ready to go. So we'll come back and show y'all what it looks like then. All right, bye guys. Okay guys, so our squash casserole, I did not know Mama had sent me a recipe of what to do. I didn't look at it before I mixed it all up. So we have added to it some sauteed onions, half a cup milk, half a stick of butter. That's all I've added. And then I've cooked it for 25 minutes. We're fixing to sprinkle the top with the Ritz crackers, and then we will put it back in a little bit with just to let these get brown. Anyway, just want to let y'all know that I did doctor it on top of my already doctoring. So we'll see how it is. It's a combination of multiple recipes. I don't know where Mama got hers from. Okay, and now we can't find the marshmallows to go on top of the sweet potatoes. That's all good. This is 3 sleeves of Ritz crackers, crumbled, half stick of butter melted in it, mixed up, and then sprinkled on top. Anyway, they go back in the oven just like this for 5 minutes on 350.